Child Education Day, ilo PSS, Rani Ukin Kajilu, Igichen Science Fair and Rujugur Road, Kindergarten dengan Kilajaman, Emut, yang ini kita live kurburo me charge Marungun kacita kui Igichen Kuraja Choir, Amu yang emut, kia cini bar kakji cirigum katarangan yen award ceremony lale wane win Igichen Project Choir. Oke, Cino kia continue jen coba me char pujar kia. Ako i-join char pujar dia, i pena jam jen school kindergarten. Oh, kela kela tay, puike kindergarten. Jeme kindergarten. Emo emi najuri rore jitan kacita kui jen project in. All right, you guys ready? Uh, okay, so you're gonna tell me your names, yeah, and then you can. Okay, what's your name?
Sky. Sky. Denzel. Janica. No. Seven. Christopher.
Okay, what is your project about? What's your project about?
It's about M&Ms and water and plate. So you put the M&Ms around the plate, and then you add water on it until it turns into the rainbow.
Okay, thank you.
And pour water and candy. You pour water and candy.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Then water.
All right. Thank you, guys. Bye. Okay, okay. Nego yang ichitin tak ngada. Pura jaga cuanan cugulin. Em kacit lo pode jeba. Cete tarin cugai lo menu nimum. Ikicen cola, milk chocolate jak. Kain naga. Awe, ti katarero kumelele. Elias.
Yolani. Annie.
May kamalalagan praja ka na? Kamalalagan. Ano ba lakot?
How many sugar in your drink? Kita juga ada dan minum. Coke 8 pa. Radam John teaspoon juga yung Pepsi 8. Chungo teaspoon juga yung Fanta Orange 8. Chungo 20 teaspoon juga yung Sprite 8. Sprite 8. Chungo Chino teaspoon juga yung Water 8. 8 teaspoon juga yung Mountain Dew 8. Chungo teaspoon juga yung Chocolate Milk 8. Cilungan emen teaspoon juga. Soren kores walaksen cola es narangi jaga ne yung right kakure pada ko ilo lanem punit.
Pemolol Elias. Ako chichawa na malaki yo. Okay. Oh, dami chichiyo. Ako chicha to kipinagi kurubiya. Chittinagi kachidagi kitchen project kan kurube. Ako Adam.
Lari.
Adam?
Lari. Abigail. Melody.
Barbara.
Ako onne kamalalagan project eh. Oli bimiyang. Oh, ako.
Sinunta taga kecela komandan. Kurit. Yung kurit. Kurit. Coba kawal kana.
Kamu dati puja kan seri. Ayo buat coba kau kena kalian kau.
Kecele kamani puja kana beren. Kekagula puja ka.
Ano ya?
Ngalawan ka bayang. Puja na walang lagay. Ito walang lak.
Kendala pahay.
Walang lakong tayo ito walang lak. Tayo ito walang lak. Tayo ito tumulawak.
Ako tayo harap pero.
Niniyawa.
Pahay lang ini. Tayo harap kumulawa.
Niniyawa. Chop.
Ako yun lang. Kaya pala yan mo na ka.
Niniyawa mene.
Kaya pala yan may harap kedi. Kaya wala.
Niniyawa.
Okay. Okay. Okay, simo talaga yang kurube jod. Tinlala wane mi cicin cover. Naman lala kurube cho. Solar panel. Anybody here? joining project man ikichin solar panel. Kurwin kur medyo to ko dyan chugulo ilo co-op co-op school. Nala chicha kataran niri kita ko pwede tin kami lalagan. What's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa. You want to tell me about your project? Talk to the mic and explain what's that.
Haley.
What's your name?
Haley. Haley. You
So
start.
you guys are in one group, right? Okay. Can you explain to me about your project?
Lisa, you just say this one, okay? Say. So our project is about solar panels. See abstract. We don't need to say that. This is a picture of a solar panel, and then the sunlight goes into the solar panel. Then the solar panel will give energy to these stuff like TV, PC, microwave, and refrigerator. The sunlight travels onto the it travels onto the solar panel. And most of the time in different countries, people have solar panels on top of their roof. So this is my house, and these are the solar panels on top. This is a solar panel on top of a light. Say the solar panel doesn't have a carbon dioxide. Solar panels don't have carbon dioxide. See the example. This is an example of a solar panel. First, the sunlight goes into the solar panel. Then when we want to use it, we press this button and then the light will appear. Sometimes people use solar panels just like these for when it's blackout. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, good job. Thank you, co-op. All right. Good job. Oh, you guys ready? One project. Okay. Other row.
My name is Nea. My name is Anastasia. My name is Erlian.
Okay, one make kami lalagan project aming. Okay.
Our project is about ocean pollution, and these are examples of what's polluted in the ocean. People litter. Oil spill. Sewage discharge. Dumpster site. And more litter. Our explanation is every year 8 million tons of pollutions enter the ocean. That's equivalent to a truckload dumped into the ocean every minute of the day. It goes on a long and destructive journey. The pollution that enters the ocean can be carried vast distance by currents to all parts of the world. You may have been wondering, how is ocean pollution caused? Ocean pollution is caused by the introduction of toxic materials and harmful pollution such as agricultural and industrial waste, chemicals, oil spills, and plastic litter into the ocean waters. Erlian, I have a question for you. How does pollution affect the ocean? Hypothesis. Pollution affects the ocean because people throw trash in the ocean. Background research. 80% of pollution to the marine environment comes from land. One of the biggest sources is called non-point source pollution, which occurs as a result of runoff. Our future direction is 90% of our coral reefs may be dead. Waves of mass marine extinction may be unleashed, and our seas may be left overheated, acidified, and lacking oxygen. These are more things we found on the internet. Number 1, an estimate of 8 million tons of pollution enter the ocean. Number 2, 150 million metric tons of plastic are in the ocean, and 8 million more tons are added every year. Number 3. 1 in 3 sea mammals have been green in green litter. Our conclusion is, together we are responsible for our ocean to be kept clean from pollution. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Good job. Good job. All right, that was co-op. All right. For school and co-op. Okay. Okay, cicak katar itu olahraga matan apa ya? Colok kita menak. Lo terus Cina tuh kuping cukul gadget. Hello. Okay. Kumid pa ya tapi yang lamoy kamela kan peraja kan ami. Oli bimi yang. Oh, ami ro peraja kan. Okay, katar. Edam.
Alden. Makani.
Okay, kamela kan peraja kan. Pemiro kan. Okay. Apa ya? Cuan cukai mai kan kandana kan.
Corona virus itu kan Cina, 2009 yung araw jin coba piro lebaran yung perodon mo yung amat met lebaran yung nelayan itu kamane menelut pelak pepang
Ejudak petana.
elut agak enot kuit
Okay. Amoy tanay company dia.
coba
Oh.
yup
Oh ya.
yup kamane yung wait
Oh. Tagamau.
Amma, I love you.
Komol tara. Okay. Acha ro dengan ko apel no ro bojak. Ano ni bar ro bojak eh? Okay, you guys ready? Enggak, kan jelek. There you go. What's your name?
Donna.
All right, what's your name?
Cover.
And
Gerald.
all right, tell me about your project.
So mainly we like to say this project is about something that everybody always asks. Why is the sky blue? Abstract. The sky is blue because when the sun is shining, the clouds help shine the colors around. But you always see blue. It's because blue has the shortest wavelength. Question. The main reason why this project was made is because people wonder why the sky is blue. And we'll find out.
All right, you will find out. Okay, somebody can do that while you explain. What's he doing right now?
So he's doing the experiment on how the sun reflects on, how the sun shines on the earth, and then the clouds help, like, the milk is mainly supposed to be the clouds, and that's how as you can see, it's a little bit bluish this way and down. And when the sun sets, the orange part of this part is like the evening or the dusk or sunset. And it's nighttime at this part.
Hypothesis. We think the reason that the sky that we all see outside is blue is because of the sun reflecting the ocean toward the sky.
Background research. Many bright color consists many colors such as blue, red, green, and orange. When you try this experiment with the torch, you always think that the torch has white colors. Well, no. The torch has many colors, as I said before, but the blue color spreads more because it has the shortest wavelength.
Methodology. Your tools for the experiment is a torch, water, glass container, milk, and a spoon. Step 2. No, your steps are 1. Pour water into the glass container. Then add 1 spoonful of milk and then stir. Then shine a torchlight through the container. Lastly, observe the blue color change in the container. Conclusion. Shining the torch through water with milk spreads the blue color because blue color has the shortest wavelength. This is why the sky is blue. Also, when the sun shines into Earth's atmosphere, the blue color spreads and causes the sky to be blue.
This is our bibliography/reference. This is where we learned the websites that we knew the stuff that we were making and how we learned how it worked and how the sun helps why the sky is blue. And as you remember, our names are Kabua,
Gerald,
and Don Don. And these are the pictures that we learned our stuff from on the internet, and what the audience are learning their stuff from this poster.
Thank you so much. Kumultada Co-op. Good job. Okay. Okay, chirodong nga nagyo, kilajyo, igitchen, pujang. Kujang po. Okay. Kumarago pa yata, chukuldain.
Araries,
Okay. Ako, kumarago pa yatam.
Atayin Rogina, Atayin Power, Atayin Colton,
Oh, oh, yang banyak mengar. Okay. Ako, unay kami lelegan project kan eh. Okay.
Atayin Tadalayin Air Balloon. Kain cara pala ko. Tarabay ka penaga chijit begun chota pujeng chubun yung panaw. Pungutan ako. Tumay ringyo jen mejan tarabayo. Kayo tumay. Tara. Kajara pale panalayo ngan tingi tarabayo kejuan kap in penaka. That chilu. Kajara pale step chilu. Kaya rabal cije ngan mujud rabayo jen mejen pujeng yo. Yung enak pujeng. Kalak panel yo event pujeng yo. Eja pujeng na peganan gabi.
Ada kumujud ipin.
Yo kemana ba ini? Ya mau jenak apa ini?
Tanay ka manigya.
Nampai men. Kajara bale panelayo ngan tengi ro chibun in begin joda ngan iloan pujeng yo. Yo. Oopsie. No. Amot karelang Megan Ujang yung kan ring yung. Mukanya. Man.
Kumiro aja buku reja na ibarat kamani mereka.
Duda kalak. Upkare. Step Timyon. Duda kalak pegin cotangan hilawan darapaje. Ngay pegin cota yun benagar ko barana jerom CO2. CO2 is oxygen. Oxygen is kutu. Man.
Kumiro amol. Arari aja kan? Rare rainbow, man komol tada. What's your name?
Jada? Giselle?
Okay, and that's Maya.
Maya.
Thank you. Can somebody explain to me about your project? Okay, go ahead.
The project is we're talking about waters, and the flowers drink water so it can grow. Plants cutting, cups and jars, fruits coloring water, and scissors. I don't know what to say, Giselle. Plants will drink the fruits is called ostromid. One, the plant has a lot of water. It will make fruit. It is called photosynthesis. The flowers drink water because the flowers can grow a lot. Data.
What?
Did you talk about these? Four. So this is what we colored. Say the rules is this. Petals, leaves, plants. Plants cutting. Cup.
I said this.
Plants cutting cups.
I said it.
Okay, plants cutting cups.
We petal, leaves, the stem, and the roots.
We colored this. We colored um we colored a star, a heart, and a rainbows and a house that Giselle drawn, and my rainbow, and me, and someone, and Giselle's drawing that she didn't finish. A heart balloon, and yeah, and Owen. What? That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Alright. Communal co-op. Very pretty. Okay. Demo jawab alip group. Alip karage. Ako yung majar tabartok chamalakin. Kacito ko yung kitchen group gain. Kumijilo di jine kay lo PSS. Apa ano berak. Cicit. Cicit. Iyo pa. Ako alip karage cici round jual alenu much. Kini jadan proyek ciring ganin. Kawini nen. Kami yang mual kana mi tu nen tokat. Yang kelaje me warga me jaba I love you. Wait. Ecena araries. Much. Yang kan ako yang ini ngacak kak kejijir. Kami yang mual.